What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be working on my ZX10R. You guys know this bike, you've seen it on the channel multiple times. I got some more parts to throw in it. That's the goal for today, and let's get some work on the way. The first thing we're going to do on my ZX10R is do an oil change. It's been a minute, just over 1,000 kilometers. I just want to change it for peace of mind. Let's get that done and get some brand new fluid in the bike. Now I'm gonna add some more oil to the motorcycle and get it up to the specified level. And just like that, that is perfect. Let's get into the next part for the day. The next part I'm going to throw on the ZX10R is going to be the axle sliders. I have one for the rear, one for the front. I ordered these parts a little while ago, but it's just been sitting because I've just been crazy busy. But today is the perfect day to throw these parts on the 10R. Let's get to it. So unfortunately, I did unbox this part without you all, but it is still here. We have front and rear. Got the sliders, bushing. Very good quality stuff by Evo-Tech. So I ordered these parts of Evo-Tech, just been sitting. Now I'm gonna throw them back on, or throw them on the ZX10R. One rod goes in like this, washer, and then nuts. I'm gonna slide one in. here. Alright guys, as you can see, this rear axle slider is on. Same for the front, that's on. The next we're going to be installing is going to be new spools. This is banged up and I'm running black and gold on the other side. That doesn't really match. So I'm going to throw on some new spools I purchased for the 10R. New spools. Looks good. Let's toss it on. And just like that, with the Evo-Tech spools on and the front and rear axle sliders, the next part I'm going to be throwing on is the Evo-Tech frame sliders. But in order for us to install the frame sliders on the ZX10R, we got to remove the bolt that pretty much secures the engine to the frame in place. So you have to make sure to support that engine, because you don't want to remove that bolt and have the engine drop on you. That would be very bad. So I'm going to go ahead and install the frame sliders right now. I'm going to support the engine and throw those bad boys in. And with the engine supported, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the first bolts to install the new frame sliders. So you're probably wondering what that sound you heard was when I was talking this one. So over in here, there's this plastic or rubber thing that's goes in between both of them. So that's what's making that sound when I was talking this down. Alright guys, we have lots of Evo-Tech parts on this motorcycle. We have the rear axle slider, the spools, we got the frame sliders and the front axle sliders too. So this bike is looking really good. Brand new oil change, like I said before. You guys seen it. The last part going on this bike is this K&N air filter. You've seen me throw this similar filter on different bikes before. I really love this brand. They've been in the business for a very long time, so there's no brainer I'm gonna go with them. So without much more talk, we got a lot of work to change the air filter in this bike. Let's jump right to it. Alright guys, and just like that, we have the filter out. It doesn't look terribly bad. If you do remember, when I reviewed the bike, I did clean it out because I was waiting for this K&N race air filter to come in. But now that we have it in, we're gonna toss it in and toss this out because this is very restrictive. Gotta tell you, she's standing so much better. I just started it up and she had love it. Love the ZX10R. We have one more part to throw on this bike and she's gonna be done for now. Okay, so the next part we're gonna be throwing on the ZX10R is gonna be 360-degree camera mount. It's gonna go right over here, stick out here. Let's get it done. Open it up, breaking it loose. One on. Okay guys, and that brings today's video to a wrap. As you can see, we threw a bunch of parts on the 10R. I'm going to be riding this bike. We're going to see exactly how she performs. Stay tuned for that video, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.